Hey, you guys, it is Saturday. We are about to head to Walmart and then I'm gonna update Khalil's bedding. I'm gonna cook some Jamaican Escovitch fish, like snapper with festival. So I'm so excited about that. Oh my God! Okay, the door's, okay, let's do that again. Bro, kids really be driving you off the wall. But anyways, I'm gonna make some Jamaican Escovitch fish, snapper fish with festivals. I got snapper at Sam's yesterday. Like they had fresh fish and seafood on sale, so I had to get it. So we're gonna make that today and I'm excited. And then I think I want to do an at-home movie night. I don't know, but let's see how it goes. And then guys, I got this really awesome bedding for Khalil and I'm excited to see what it looks like in his room because I am doing like a mini update again. He got a new bed and new furniture in December, so now it's only right to give him some new bedding. And I didn't curl my hair last night and it's bothering me so bad. Like I went to sleep on it. I didn't put my my heatless curlers in and it looks so okay, so that's why I keep touching my hair because it is flat. Matter of fact, let's do like a tuck. Let's do something like that. Yeah, okay. We're leaving. We're leaving. I haven't used my wide angle lens in the longest of times. It looks so weird to me. Like I keep saying to Khalil, do I look, oh, y'all, there's so much traffic on the road. Everybody's so mad. Like what's going on? But we were at a light. We've been in this traffic along this stretch. But I was saying to Khalil, this looks so weird. And he's like, yeah, because you don't use it no more. Usually, all my vlogs, ever since I bought this lens, I would use it. And then I switched to using like a tighter lens. And then now I'm just like, it's so wide. Oh, or turn. Anyways, the light turned to green. I'll see you guys at Walmart. As we just made it to Walmart, right? But you want to know something funny? Tell them.
Where's my shoes?
Oh, I guess I'm going into Walmart by myself because he has no socks or shoes.
My socks with no shoes.
Because we never take the one in the front, but they all have the same bait. Let me put this back. And I need to get the peppers. Hi, can I have a iced brown sugar oat milkshake and espresso with vanilla sweet cream cold foam, and this says 2 white chocolate mocha sauce. I saw it on the app. I don't know.
And what size would you like?
Grande.
Grande, got you. Anything else for her?
No, that would be it.
Alright, it's gonna be $7.67 at the window for you.
Thank you. Thank you. Can I have a napkin?
Yeah.
Thank you. Have a good one. I don't know if this is even a thing that you're supposed to do. I don't think so.
Wrong.
Ooh. Oh. We did it, Joy. So I've been alternating between Sam's and Walmart. Certain things I get at Sam's, certain things I get at Walmart. Before, I used to go to Publix all the time, and guys, I was overspending at Publix, and I didn't realize how much overspending I was doing. So some things I get at Publix only when they have, like, it's on BOGO or whatever, and then now I go to Sam's, and then I go to Walmart. So yesterday was Sam's Day. What did I get at Sam's yesterday? I got, like, ketchup, barbecue sauce, water, turkey bacon. I got some stuff at Walmart yesterday, so I can't really remember. That's crazy. I got oil. Oh my gosh, I got quite a bit of stuff. I got the rice over there. Okay, whatever. But we got some stuff at Walmart yesterday, and then to like kind of complement that, then I go to Sam's to, no, we got some stuff at Sam's yesterday. Oh my goodness. Then to complement that, I go to Walmart after the fact. So we have eggs, I got the brioche bread, and then I got these fries. These are like shoestring fries. I saw this at my friend's house, and then she bought this fully cooked crispy chicken strips the other day, and I'm just like, yuck, that should be nasty. But don't knock it till you try it, because when she made this, we had it in our Galentine's like brunch menu. It was so nice. So I got this for Khalil because he likes to have like quick little things. I got potatoes, sweet potatoes. I got some fruit, strawberries and blueberries, which is the main fruit that we eat here, and apples. Where are my apples? Because, you know, I eat apples like all the time as my snack. And then I got some peppers, some veggies. Oh my gosh, guys, Walmart has this whipped cream cheese spread. You should try this. This is so good. It and the brioche bread, so good. I got milk, coffee, milk for my coffee, lactose-free milk because we're all lactose in here, and then the oat milk for my coffee. Definitely try the Planet Oat Barista Lovers version. It makes the coffee nice and, you know, creamy looking without giving you a stomach ache. I got some of this for Khalil. I usually get this at Sam's because you get a way bigger pack, but they didn't have the flavor that he liked, so I just got this one instead. And we got some chicken, a packet, that's like chicken legs. I got chicken thighs. I got pork chops, ground beef because I am gonna make some spaghetti. And then what is this? And then I got round steak for stir fry. So this is like for the week. So we have food. So we have chicken for one day, pork chops for one day, spaghetti on one day, the steak stir fry. What else did I just say? Oh my gosh, my brain is not working right now. Okay. And what else did we get? I got some salsa, some snacks. These are for Khalil. Some snacks, Oreos, some salsa dip, some kettle corn, and oh, some whipping cream. What is this? And I got some cinnamon rolls. Like the other day we were there, and Khalil had to try the Walmart version of the cinnamon rolls. Guys, it is so good. I've been finding that the market side brand that's in Walmart is just like, their stuff is so good. Love it. Anyways, that's pretty much what we got. Oh, and I got this Bloom drink to try because I'm not gonna buy a whole case. I'm gonna have to try it to see. So this is the Bloom Pop Strawberry Cream Prebiotic Soda. So we're gonna try this. Hey you guys, this portion of the video is sponsored by Quince. They did send over to us some new bedding. This bedding is for my son's bedroom. I am giving him like a bedroom transformation. I've been doing it in stages. We got the new bed, we got the new furniture. Now it's only right to get the new bedding, and Quince is like the perfect company to get the bedding from. They are focused on giving you the best quality ever. They do 100% cotton, 100% linen, and 100% leather. Like whatever they use, it's all the highest quality, and it's something that will last a long time. I'm bedding from them in December, and let me tell you, I have been sleeping so good. Their bamboo sheets are so soft, and guys, I had to get it for my son. He needed to feel how it feels to sleep on like quality. So I got their bamboo sheets, and this is, I think, the color Nightfall. Everything is in a queen size because he has a queen size bed. I did get a duvet cover, and this is like a honeycomb, I think, waffles type duvet cover. I got it in a light gray color because I am gonna play with like the color contrast. I feel like it'll look good. I don't know, because he has like a gray looking bed. So in my mind, you know, we're giving a little designer feel. I also got a duvet insert, a down alternative duvet insert, because he needs a new duvet insert. His sheets need to go. So I did get that. This is the same duvet insert that I have on my bed, and I've been sleeping with it for months. It's so fluffy, it's so soft, and it keeps you warm. Very, very warm. And I did get, I think this is the ultra warm, because the ultra warm is like having two duvets. Instead of doing the double stuff, you could just do one of these and you get that nice fluffy look. And again, this is their premium down alternative comforter. I got some candles from them, guys, and let me tell you, when I opened the box, I'm smelling the candles. If you can smell the candle without lighting it, I didn't even open the packaging. It's all still wrapped up and I'm smelling it. Then you know this candle has throat. It has a great throat to it. It did come securely packaged. And I got 2 scents. I want to have like a scent for my living room, you know, like a signature scent. And then I wanted to gift my son one of them for his bedroom, but I might take it back because, you know, we love a good candle. It's dinner time. We are making Escovitch fish tonight. The dishwasher is on, so everything else is just gonna be a voice, not a voiceover, it's just gonna be a montage. Cheers.